coverage you can count on begins with some Augustans having headaches over ongoing construction downtown. Projects on Telfair Street are causing issues getting to the Bell Auditorium, where events, including high school graduations for Richmond County Schools, will take place. Graham Lee is live outside the Bell Auditorium now. And Graham, this construction is having an impact on everyone heading downtown.
Well, no question, Jenny. The Bell Auditorium is also hosting an event tonight, and as you mentioned, with several Richmond County high school graduations upcoming in the coming days. Now, some people tell me while they are seeing the progress being made, it still makes for a tough commute around the Garden City.
Caleb and Tabitha Tillman were able to get books at the Augusta Library with their young daughter, but they say getting downtown has been quite a hassle.
Just in general, the last year or so have been crazy difficult to get around, crazy difficult to get to work, having to find new routes to get around everything.
The city has been paving new asphalt and road striping on Telfair between 8th and 13th Street since March. But recent construction is another reason Tabitha was forced to close her business.
I was doing in-home therapy. I closed my business in December, but I lost a lot of money last quarter just because, you work with someone for an hour and you only get paid how long you work with them. And so having to take her to school and navigate all of this, I was actively losing money because it was adding 30 minutes to my commute and everything.
Traffic engineers are now working on the intersection of Telfair and James Brown Boulevard. They have made the Bell Auditorium aware of the projects, but for now, some Augustans will have to keep paying the price for progress.
We did warn them it was coming, and they knew a while ago that this area was going to be under construction about this time. So we just kind of need to get through the season. Next year, the construction should have moved on, so it shouldn't be an issue next year, and everything should be back to normal.
We just kind of avoid downtown, and I feel really bad for all the business owners being impacted by this because I think the city just takes on too much at one time.
So traffic engineers tell me that the intersection of Telfair and James Brown will be closed for at least the next 2 months. The best way to get around it is taking the detours that will take you from 10th down to Green Street. And in terms of parking, the best way to go from the Bell Auditorium's point of view is to take the 7th Street parking lot right across from the old James Brown Arena, along with the parking spaces that you'll find on the main roads around downtown. Live in Augusta, Graham Lee, WJBF, News Channel 6.